Arabic is difficult, extremely difficult. What can I do?
Do not make these mistakes again.
Okay, teacher, I won't.
Learn Arabic in Arabic, not English.
But how?
Immerse yourself. It's more fun.
It's fun?
Exactly. You'll love it.
Many beopli. Try to learn Arabic using English or their own native language. Oh, wait. This is a huge mistake. The right way is to learn Arabic through Arabic, without a middle language. If you find your teacher isn't doing this, run away as fast as you can.
If your teacher translates everything, run away. Run away. Learn like a child. Listen first, speak later. Yes, exactly. Listen first, then speak. Just like a curious kid.
Many students also try to translate everything they hear, word for word. This is a mistake. Why? It's better to learn like a child. But how? Listen a lot, just like a baby listens to their parents. Then, start speaking little by little and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Don't fear mistakes. Errors are the path to fluency. Stop word-for-word translation. Focus on the meaning. The meaning is what matters, not the exact words. Got it?
Don't compare Arabic to your language. It's unique.
Stop trying to compare Arabic to your native language. Don't look for a direct translation for every single word. It might not even exist in your language. Yes, it's true. Focus on understanding the deeper meaning and the context of the expressions instead.
Surround yourself with Arabic. Travel or live the language. وعش مع اللغة لا تدرسها فقط.
Travel to a country where people speak Arabic. Immerse yourself in the language all day long. And surround yourself with its beauty everywhere you go.
Don't forget, practice every day. That's the key to success.
I understand, sir.
Good. Don't forget.